Well, when we look at the 9 factors, from a research standpoint, I cannot say yet which ones are more important than the others, which ones we should start with. But as a counselor, as someone who is trained as a psychotherapist originally in my master's degree, the ones that I start with, of the 9, the first one that I start with is always finding your strong reasons for living. Because if someone can start by really identifying why they want to make all these changes, right? Some of these changes might be very difficult, like changing your diet completely. You know, you might love some really unhealthy food, and so to give that up, you need to know why you're giving it up. So I always have people start with figuring out what are their strong reasons for living. And then the second factor of the 9 that I have them explore, shall we say, is taking control of your health. So one of the 9 factors is taking control of your healing, being the person in charge. So you might still have doctors, you might still have healers, but you get to make the final decision. Nobody is telling you what to do with your body. So I find that when I'm counseling people, if I start them with these 2 factors, finding their strong reasons for living, and then getting them into the mindset of taking control and saying, I'm in charge here, I'm going to be making decisions. Once those 2 fall into place, the other 7 factors are a lot easier to do.